Hello friends, welcome to your channel UPSC with Parmar sir. Myself Raja Parmar. With me, you are going to be a current affair champion, but for MP related exams, nothing will be asked behind this video if you are preparing for MPPSC. So, if you are, I will suggest if you are preparing for the MPPSC, if you are covering these videos, so it's enough for MP current affair. But for the current affair for India and international affairs, that you have to cover from other sources. Like if you are covering newspaper, the Hindu for say for English medium aspirants, and Dainik Bhaskar, Dainik Jagran, then Satta for others exams, so it's enough. And if you are going with current affair magazines also, monthly magazines, then also good. But for MP current affair, these video are sufficient. I will suggest ki you should watch for one time these videos. So this is about the thing. So as you know ki these lecture are for 10 minutes, 10 minutes for 1 month, 10 minutes for 1 month's current affair. You can watch with 2x speed. Just do it. Speed of your preparation. I am making this video in a very slow manner. If you are going to be fast, keep going fast. See this video in 2x speed for 2 times at least. Then it will sufficient for you. You can catch up the things in the exam. So without wasting too much time, let's start up towards current affair. So the first news is about Panna Biosphere Reserve. International Coordinating Council of UNESCO, UNESCO's main and biosphere program, MAP, has recognized 3 sites in India and Maldives, including Panna Biosphere Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Union Ministry of Environment, Forest, Climate Change had declared Panna as a biosphere reserve in August this year. Panna Biosphere Reserve is a critical tiger habitat. The other 2 sites are in Maldives, Fubaha Mullah Biosphere Reserve and Addu Atoll Biosphere Reserve. About UNESCO ki its headquarters is Paris, and Paris is in France. The other slides is about Rescue Center for Vultures. Vulture, you know, Gidd. Bhopal is one of the 4 centers in country where vulture rescue centers have been proposed. Other locations for rescue centers are Pinjore in Haryana, Guwahati in Assam, Hyderabad in Telangana. These are to be established in accordance with the Action Plan for Vulture Conservation 2020-25, which has been approved by the National Board of Wildlife (NBW). Under the plan, 5 states which have been chosen for conservation and breeding center for vulture are Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. See guys, the news which is relating to environment and ecology, that is very much important. Not for MPPSC or any other MP related exam only, but for all the exams. Because see, the weightage for environment is too much high. Like you will see in every exam, about 30% paper, 20 to 30% paper will definitely come from the environment and ecology wala part. Because of the importance, like these parts only cover our life cycle, earth life cycle, which is too much important. Making money, polity, these are not too much important things to survive. The things which are very necessary for our survival, that is important. Like science and technology, you will see the question from science and technology definitely. So this is something. Next slide is Life in Miniature project. Ministry of State for Culture and Tourism Prahlad Singh Patel virtually launched the Life in Miniature project in collaboration with National Museum and Google's Art and Culture. The project enables the miniature paintings kept at National Museum to be viewed virtually through Google Arts and Culture app. Prahlad Singh Patel is Member of Parliament in Lok Sabha from Damoh constituency in Madhya Pradesh. Next one is PM Swanidhi scheme. Madhya Pradesh has ranked second in the disbursement of loan under Pradhan Mantri Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi with over 1.25 lakh beneficiaries. Uttar Pradesh have been the top performer with over 3 lakh beneficiaries, followed by Madhya Pradesh and Telangana. Other important news is Pravir Krishna won the CEO of the Year and Visionary Leadership of the Year award. Pravir Krishna, who is MD of TriFed, Tribal Cooperative Marketing Development Federation of India, has been awarded CEO of the Year and Visionary Leadership of the Year by World Human Resource Development Congress at virtually held National Award for Excellence PSU Public Sector Undertakings. Pravir Krishna is a 1987 batch IAS officer from Madhya Pradesh cadre. This may be asked, not too much important but important. Other important news is physical distribution of property cards under PM Swamitva scheme. Prime Minister Modi launched physical distribution of property card, a legal document for owning house under survey of village and mapping with improvised technology in rural areas scheme to make rural India self-sufficient. The property card have been handed over to more than 1 lakh beneficiaries across the state of Madhya Pradesh, Haryana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh. Other thing is Delhi Mumbai E-Way to have India's first 5 animal bridges. Projected to be completed in 2024. The 1320 expressway will have India's first 5 animal overpasses. The expressway will pass through the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana. These are the 5 states through which the expressway will be passed. The next important news is Swachh Bharat 2020 awards. So, Kachroad block in Uttar Pradesh district, Kachroad block in Ujjain district in Madhya Pradesh was awarded the first position, and Chinnur village in Tamil Nadu bagged the top slot at Gram Panchayat level. The government had earlier launched 3 missions under Swachh Sundar Samudayik Shauchalay, Samudayik Shauchalay Abhiyan and Gandagi Mukt Bharat. Under the Swachh Sundar Samudayik Shauchalay category, Gujarat bagged the first position at state level, whereas Tirunelveli in Tamil Nadu got the award for cleanliness at district level. Thank you guys. And the same thing, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment and stay happy and healthy. Thank you guys. If you want to talk to me, you can comment on any video, I will reply. If you want ki I will upload the things, upload these slides in PDF format on any other medium, you can say to me through comments. I will provide it on Telegram. I will share with you guys the link of Telegram. If you will say, then only, otherwise no. Watching video is enough. So thank you all.